Hey guys, we make here 2 years ago we found this cat.
Huh?
Dad.
Might be on one of the shelves. Huh?
We found a cat. That's really nice. It's so cute.
Don't try to pick him up. You're following me.
It's in your mitten.
How'd you get out?
Ah! It's coming after me! Okay, Kizzy, come hold the camera.
Huh?
Hold the camera.
No.
Or G, hold the camera, watch. Face it, I'm the cat. Ah!
She's following me. Look at her. Come here.
It's your face.
Oh, don't make it touch your face, Mackenzie.
What? Touch my face.
Your hands.
Your hand.
I can wash them.
But you touched him with your hand already. Oh, here, Nick.
Yeah, don't let him get your face.
I'm not.
I got my shirt right now. It's really cold. See? It's, whew, it's winter too. Ah, 5 more days till Christmas, guys. 5 more days. Kitty, kitty, kitty! Meow! 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 Kitty, come here! Hey, run! Like, try to stop me and run. Kitty, run with us! Just run! Because they run into the garage. Yeah.
Oh, yay, kitty.
He's just purring. He's purring. When you touch his ears, he's purring.
Yeah, I could tell that he was staying in there last night.
Yeah. I don't know how it is. He got out because of...
My dad, probably.
Like
Probably my dad.
he's strong. Damn it.
Or my dad.
He was hiding. I just heard him when I went up there. He was
Meow. That's because he meow.
Oh, I think he's getting mad.
No.
He's just purring because he gets pets.
Ready?
Play it.
Hey, what's up? What's up, man? What's up, man? You want to go try to find a kitty toy from him? Hear him?
Oh, I thought you heard another cat.
He's purred my listen. Paddle. Yeah, the screen. He put his face in the screen.
Yeah, you should rub his ears. He purrs.
Here, can someone... Wait, listen. Hear him? Purring.
If you rub his ears, he'll purr.
Hey, can someone hold the camera? I'm going to find a cat toy for him. Let's find something.
I see a huge...
Here, let's watch the house.
Here, it's one.
Yeah. No, kitty. Mittens, no. No, mittens. the black cat.
It's so cute. You are.
Your eyes are gonna get red.
Why not?
You wanna see your eyes? They're getting red. Well, not red, but their cheeks are getting red.
Yeah, because I'm cold. My nose and my cheeks are cold. It's only my right eye that does it. He did it at Sam's house. Hi.
Did it hurt or anything?
No, it just got clothes in the water and I didn't like it. Hi, you. Oh yeah, you want me more than
Give
that.
me,
You want me more than that. Oh yeah, don't you? You're so cute, yes you are.
Oh, you hear him? Oh, he's like starving.
Oh, he just ate me.
Okay, but that was last night.
Oh yeah, we had to
Cats
get
need to get eat for like eat.
Listen.
Oh, Nick, you got scared of him.
Okay. Cats, I freaking toilet.
Oh,
What's in my clothes?
I know, just let him play with them.
Nick, he needs food.
What?
You can Hi, my baby. Oh,
he's so cute.
you want me one and that?
He laughed. Come on. Mittens, wanna go outside? Oh,
No. I'll be back.
No.
you want some milk?
I guess so. Is it recording?
Yep.
Don't press that
Go
one.
back inside? Yeah, Mittens don't want to go outside.
Watch out.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, if you guys already got know. I'll be right back.
Mittens. Let's bring him up near the door. Just let him go. Mackenzie, he's gonna hurt you. You better let him go. Come on, Mittens. Mittens, come on. Come on, Mittens. Let's see. Wait, don't touch him. Don't touch him. Come on, Mittens. Come on, Mittens. Mittens, come on. Yeah, we're not going now. Mittens, come on, Mittens.
He won't go without me, I know. He loves
Oh, you love him. You love your little owner. Your new owner, you love her. You love her.
I love you too.
I know, I love her.
Oh! Little skinny Mittens, aren't you?
Oh, you hear him growling?
No, he's purring.
Yeah, I know.
Because I haven't put him in his ears. He's okay. He
I
won't
don't know
bite you.
what to do.
He's not mean.
See, I'm not used to cats. My grandma have a cat. Yeah, my grandma. And the cat is not nice. So I'm not used to it. Get away from me, little cat.
Look at me, it's so nice. I'm tired.
I know you are. I don't want to hold you.
You're not going to hurt him.
There, I'll put my feet out like this.
Yeah, because he'll go around good. Sometimes I step on him more.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, but he was okay.
I thought you guys found him, like Thursday or something. Oh, he's slipping on my toe. Oh, he's slipping on my toe. I'm never washing his shoes again.
Why not?
Because you can remember him.
Oh, yeah. He's going to step me on
Oh.
I'm never washing your shoes again. I'm never washing your shoes again.
You love that.
Ah, he's so cute.
He's purring. He's whatever it is. Look at him. Well, make a boy. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? He's bothering me. Help me. Oh, so cute.
People want to lounge.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Nick. He's right here.
I have him.
Yep. Keep him there. Hurry up. If you drop that on him. Look, milk. Look. Oh, you're so cute. I never saw a cat drink that much.
He loves milk.
Can you drink milk sleep? Take a sneeze on him.
Ugh, I can't bend down.
Yes, he was.
He probably gets
your
there.
face. Nick, we might want him to bring a napkin out here for my face.
Can you go get one?
Yeah.
They look around my face. I just need to put this on it. So he doesn't have to eat off the ground. It's kind of
Dirty.
down.
That kitten, right?
Yeah.
Or he was stepping around mine and was having shoes, and then he
cat.
wouldn't. Yeah.
It's not really a kitten. It's considered a kitten, but
And he was like proud.
he was so.
Oh, hey,
Buddy.
he wants that. Let him bite it, Nick, or he'll bite you. I'm saying, let him bite it or he'll bite you. You can't eat it.
Huh? So what? He tried to eat the big pieces.
Here,
And a napkin.
he's trying to eat the big piece.
Actually, you know what? Let's just move it.
Come on,
I don't think
gonna
she's
go,
hungry.
Then close the food because Mom said no more eating for him. Or drinking.
Oh, look at him shake when he drinks.
Mom said no more eating for him and
Shut up.
drinking. He just doesn't want. He's stepping over it. Like.
Oh, see, look at that.
Should I let it stop?
See? Oh.
See, you want-
He's trying to eat the big piece.
You can get pieces. Let's go and shove teeth.
Look how much he got.
Got it. See, everywhere like steak.
I do.
That steak is raw. And then inside is pink. That's raw.
Nope, it's not raw. It's blood. And some of it's ketchup.
No, inside of
Oh,
it
look at him when he eats.
No, that's not raw.
shake.
That's supposed to be like that. That's
Meat.
no, that's
All meats have it.
yeah. All steaks are supposed to have that. On his nose.
There is some on his nose.
There
There
Like
is.
salmon and
That's why we have a napkin.
Oh, you got
Right,
some
Nick, that's
on
why we
his
have a napkin.
nose. I don't know how much this is. Just put it right there in your pocket. Oh, you turned that. He the stuff up.
Boy, we're gonna take a man. He's so cute.
What's that feeling?
Ew. What is that?
Chicken.
Oh, let's say ew.
Chicken.
You like chicken?
He's like, what the heck is this,
Chicken.
baby?
That's all chicken. That's how some cats chase.
What? Cats? What?
Cats hate chicken. Like they hate the live chicken. That's why they chase them down and eat them.
Chicken.
Oh, and my teacher loves cats. And right now
cat's
we're
so
reading a book about cats.
Here.
We
From
can give,
Warriors.
we can give Mr. Vega this cat. Right? Wait,
Here,
little
he has a
mittens.
cat. It's black and it has the same eyes as him.
We'll give him another one now.
His name's Donut.
Donut. We'll call him Mittens. Yeah, we'll call him Mittens.
We'll call him
Peanut
No.
Head.
No.
Peanut Head.
We'll call him Steak.
No.
He loves steak.
No.
Pancake Man.
No. Snowflake? Hi, Snowflake. 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 Oh,
Snowflake.
Look, we just popped up.
Snowflake.
Look, we popped up.
Let me see.
I don't press X, I don't feel like it. Snowflake. Come here, Snowflake. I don't think you like that. Oh, look. You look cool. Bye-bye.
It's so small right there.
Well, he came from your basement.
No. Came from the road.
I know, well, he did, though.
He stopped because he's eating. He's really
Hey,
hungry.
look at it. He was turning himself on.
Oh god, that's so funny.
You got that.
I'm about to jump with that guy down.
Ooh, give me that. You're like, why are you guys looking at me? That's not over here. He's like,
Bro. No, he was like this. He was like, he was like, meow.
Can you do it?
Here, can you see that? Here, listen. I have it on video, so.
I don't like.
Shh.
Move
Snowflake.
Take that up. One, two. Does he like me? I wonder if
Stop.
I wonder if we can like bring him inside and watch TV with us.
You can put some snow on the plate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Snowflake.
No, put it on the thing right there.
Okay, we pull it down. Pull that thing down.
Don't be scared. I know. There you go. Should we go for him? Oh my god, when I had that thing, it was like full. Oh my god, shh, don't do that because he's eating. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's eating that whole thing.
He didn't eat in days.
Well, yeah, I stranded for a long time. Honey, shut up. I know how to take care of a cat. Well, she's gonna kill him. A cat has to eat every day. No, that's not 3 pounds, retarded.
3. Come here, Snowflake.
I'll laugh if he just jumps right up in your face and starts clawing you over the place.
Well, he said, what are you? But get that snow away from me. Oh man, that's so cool. He's going after you.
Here, hold this. I'm gonna go put the stuff in his bed.
Snowflake. Where are you, Snowflake? Where are you, Snowflake? Here, guys, watch out. Snowflake. It's okay, Z. Or if you can pour it out your head. Snowflake, get down now.
I told you to watch out. You didn't listen.
Look that.
No, he's not gonna like it. Pull the napkin off my hand. And get him too, of course.
Here's Snowflake. Ew, butthole! Who cares? The butthole's cute. That's not the butthole is not cute.
The knife, if you fall in it, you get hurt. Ooh, that's so good.
What? Come on, too. I got on my new coat.
That's your fault for not. I said get out of the way. What did you do? You went up.
Oh, okay. Shop.
Get out of the way.
Come here, Snowflake. Hey, Snowflake. Don't get in near the cat. Snowflake. Hi, Snowflake. Snowflake, my baby. Hi, Snowflake. Oh, Nick, he's coming. Come. Snowflake, come on. Snowflake. Snowflake. Oh, come on. You don't have to go in here. I know, but he stops and he won't go. I think he likes me and won't go.
That was not good.
She threw it. Yeah.
So in my hand. Listen.
It's warmer in here.
I'll close the door for him. Yeah, it's kind of warmer in here, kind of. Not a lot. But in a few seconds, I'm gonna make myself some cereal.
Bye, Snowflake. See you later.
Do you wanna just leave him alone for now?
What?
Bye bye. Bye bye.
In here again?
Yeah. No, just leave him open actually. Actually, no, let's lock him in here. Bye bye. Snowflake, we're gonna have to lock you in here. Okay, let's go.
Can we just hold that over here? What is this?
I don't know.
What is it?
In here. There's somebody at the thing close it for me.
Where you going? Watch out,
No.
Mackenzie.
I'm not going anywhere.
Can I go for once?
Well, watch out for 5 seconds. But the only reason we're gonna let him stay in is because he has to eat or something.
No,
So
Nick,
he's warm. Well, he wants to eat until you came in. Ruin it.
Come on. We have to leave the guy in
I
here.
know, because you get out.
Can I only put one?
1, 2, 3. Come on, get out. 1 minute. No, go. Go. It's a cat. You're gonna see him after.
Yeah, we're gonna drop him off.
Hold this. That's not how you do it. I don't care. Don't care. Yeah, don't care.
Do you already have a key for this?
I already did that.
Bye, Mittens. Bye, Snowflake.
Okay, let's go back inside. No.
I know how cats feel.
Probably.
He looked at me and he said,
Wait. Hold this. No, stop. Hold this. Hold this. Stop. You're not opening it.
Not your cat, man.
It's theirs either. As I said, hold this. I was gonna open it.
I hate to see my little kid suffer. And they're by itself. I think someone should stay in there. Here, take them.
I should probably go stay out here with them.
Like, we should probably get something to keep them company.
Like what? Or just leave the door open and let's go.
Oh, no.
You have to concede. I'm getting cold, so let's go. Just leave the door open. We'll go in there when he wants to.
Come.
Snowflake can see. Okay, don't open the door yet. Have to. Okay. So